Have you ever felt just, completely swamped by some task? Like you're jumping between a dozen tabs, emails, calendars, maybe even trying to design something?
Oh, definitely. That kind of multi-step thing that just eats your whole afternoon.
Exactly. I swear I lost a whole Tuesday last month just trying to coordinate a simple team lunch. It's just draining.
It really is. It's that modern problem, isn't it? Information overload plus the mental effort of juggling all those tools. You just wish something could handle the whole thing.
Well, you might be in luck.
Yeah.
Today we're doing a deep dive into something pretty revolutionary. The new ChatGPT Agent.
Ah, yes, this is exciting stuff.
It really is. And this isn't just like another chatbot upgrade. We're talking an AI that can handle really complex real-world tasks. It basically operates its own virtual computer.
Mm-hmm.
So our mission today, unpack what makes this agent so powerful, how it actually works, what it could do for you, and importantly, some key things to be aware of when using it.
Right. And what's really key here, I think, is how it unifies capabilities. We've seen bits and pieces before, right? Like deep research for reading, operator for clicking around websites.
Yeah, separate tools.
Exactly. But the genius here isn't just having the tools, it's the AI's ability to intelligently orchestrate them. It moves smoothly from thinking about a problem to actually doing something about it.
Okay, so it's not just a list of features, it's how they work together, this unified toolbox idea.
Mhm.
Let's get into that. It has a text browser, okay, for searching and reading fast.
Yep. Super efficient for grabbing text info.
But it also has a visual browser.
Hmm.
How is that different? What does that let the AI do?
That's where it gets really interesting. The text browser scans the content, right? But the visual browser lets the agent interact with a website like we do, clicking buttons, filling out forms, maybe even dragging things around on the page.
Ah, okay. So it can actually use a website, not just read it.
Precisely. And it doesn't stop there. It also has a terminal.
A terminal, like for coding.
Exactly. It can run code, generate files, think spreadsheets, slides, analyze them, and even call APIs.
APIs.
Yeah.
Those are like the direct connections to other services, right?
You got it. Public ones like weather data or private ones you connect like your Google Drive or Calendar. Oh, and it can generate images too.
Wow. So how does it know what to use and when? Finding a restaurant, viewing photos, making the reservation.
Yeah.
That's a lot of steps using different tools.
Well, that's the clever part. It's trained using reinforcement learning to figure out the most efficient path. It learns when to use the text browser for speed, when it needs the visual browser to click something, or when to spin up some code in the terminal.
So it's really built for these longer tasks. I saw one called trajectories, like 15, 30 minutes sometimes.
Yeah, exactly. It's designed for these longer multi-step processes. And it's collaborative, which is key.
Collaborative how?
Well, it can ask you clarifying questions if it's unsure. You can interrupt it mid-task, maybe add another request.
Not the heat.
And it'll ask for confirmation before doing something important, like, say, sending an email draft it wrote. Plus, you can even take over directly if you need to input something sensitive or make a correction.
So a lot of power, but you still have oversight.
That's the idea. And the applications they're showing are, well, pretty broad.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay, so on the personal side, imagine planning a wedding, finding outfits based on the venue, researching hotels, maybe even suggesting gift ideas, all in one go.
The whole thing. Seriously.
Or ordering custom laptop stickers for a team mascot. It found vendors, helped create the art, managed the order. The whole 9 yards.
Okay, that's impressive. And for work.
Even more potential there, perhaps. It can connect to your private data securely, of course, like your Google Drive. It could pull sales numbers, analyze them, and then generate a full report, maybe even a slide deck presentation.
Whoa, so it's not just browsing and clicking, it's analyzing and creating too.
Right. It's showing this sort of unprecedented level of reasoning and task completion in the real world. A very powerful virtual assistant.
Okay, but with great power
Okay.
comes great responsibility, right? There must be risks.
Absolutely. And OpenAI is upfront about this. They call it a new risk surface.
Oh, meaning.
The main concern highlighted is something called prompt injection.
Injection, what's that?
Imagine you've given the agent your credit card details to, say, buy those stickers. A malicious website could, potentially, craft a hidden instruction, a prompt injection, trying to trick the agent into revealing that credit card number later on.
Yikes. Okay, that sounds bad. What's being done about that?
So OpenAI says they're working on mitigations, training the model to spot and ignore suspicious instructions, using real-time monitors to basically stop a task if something looks fishy.
But it's not foolproof.
Probably not entirely, no, which
Well,
is where user responsibility comes in. You need to be aware, right? Think carefully about what information you're sharing with the agent and use features like that takeover mode for anything really sensitive.
right. Be smart about it. It's cutting-edge tech, so we all need to learn how to use it safely.
Exactly. But ultimately, this agent feels like a really significant step. It's about genuinely helping people get complex stuff done, potentially freeing up a lot of time and mental energy.
It really does sound like it could change how we tackle those big, messy tasks.
Yeah.
So thinking ahead then, as AI gets better and better at these long-running agentic tasks, these complex jobs, what new possibilities or maybe new challenges does that open up for how we work and, interact with technology every day?
That's the big question, isn't it? Something to definitely ponder.